In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Nifty 50 stocks in Tradingview. Start on Tradingview and look to the top left of the screen for the main search bar. Click into it, type NC Nifty, and then select the Nifty 50 index from the results. You'll know you've got the right one if it's labeled as an index tied to the National Stock Exchange. This ensures we're working with the official benchmark that represents the 50 leading companies across major sectors in India. Once you've selected the index, click the option that says See Overview. This opens the detailed symbol page with the chart, summary data, and tabs that help you dig deeper into what makes up the index. Give the page a moment to load so all the panels populate correctly. You want the chart and the information modules to be fully ready before moving on. After the chart appears, look for the Components tab. Click Components to view the full list of all 50 constituent companies inside the Nifty 50. This is the most reliable place to pull the current lineup, and it's especially helpful because the list adjusts if the index changes over time. With the list in front of you, select a company in the Components table. Then select all the rows so every constituent is highlighted. Now right-click on the selection and choose the option to add them to your watch list. This action sends all selected symbols straight to your Tradingview watchlist panel, grouping them in one convenient place where you can scroll, sort, and scan performance quickly. Give Tradingview a second to process the additions. You should now see the Nifty 50 names in your watchlist, ready to monitor in real time with live prices, daily percentage changes, and quick access to each individual chart. From here, you can click any symbol to bring up its chart, compare performance across sectors, and keep an eye on volume and momentum without having to search for each ticker individually. If you are reviewing the market at the start of the day or doing a closing scan, having the entire index in your watchlist streamlines your routine and reduces the chance of missing key moves. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.